On days like that, you can get away with using the heating pad around your wrist and hand or around your elbow, whatever it may be, for 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times per day. So in general, you can do this, the low heat, on those days like that, up to 3 times per day. Usually, doing it more than 3 times per day causes an expansion of the inflammation and the pain. Now here's the trap. The trap is, and I explain this to all my patients, the trap is that heat will feel great on 100% of the time. So when it's on your body, it just feels wonderful, soothing, great. And then you take it off, and the after effect is now ramped up inflammation. And then what do you naturally remember? It felt great when the heat was on, let's put the heat back on. And then I have people come into the clinic, and they've been living in the heating pad. And when they're not in the heating pad, they're wrapped in an electric blanket. Systemically, they just have a ramped up inflammation. And I talk them into just trying it. Try it for a day or two of decreasing the heat. Let's maybe zap that with some cold, and then they come back for a follow-up visit, and they're just amazed at how effective it is. So don't get pulled into that trap.